In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a PayPal account is verified. This is a very quick process, and the easiest way to confirm your account status is by checking the notifications area inside your PayPal account. If you've ever been unsure whether your account is fully verified, this method gives you a simple way to tell without digging through a lot of settings. To begin, log into your PayPal account and make sure you're on your account summary page. This is usually the main dashboard you see after signing in, where you can view your balance, recent activity, and account updates. Once you're there, look for the notifications section. Depending on the version of the PayPal interface you're seeing, this may appear near the top of the page or as a small notification icon that shows account alerts and important updates. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This area is where PayPal typically displays anything that still needs your attention, including security reminders, account setup tasks, or verification requests. It's a good place to check because if PayPal still needs you to complete verification, that message will normally appear there. After opening your notifications, look carefully to see whether there is any message telling you to verify your account. The key thing you're checking for is a prompt or alert asking you to complete account verification. If you do not see any notification saying that you need to verify your account, that generally means your PayPal account is already verified. So the rule is simple. No verification prompt usually means you're verified. This is a fast way to confirm your status without having to contact support or search through multiple account pages. As a helpful tip, make sure you're signed into the correct account before checking, especially if you manage more than one PayPal account. Also, try refreshing the page if the notifications panel doesn't load right away, since account alerts can sometimes take a moment to appear. If you do happen to see a verification notice, that means there's still an action you need to complete before the account is fully verified. And that's it. By opening the notifications section and checking whether PayPal is asking you to verify your account, you can quickly tell your verification status. If there's no message asking for verification, your account is verified.